Yo, haha, never said.
Well, we're about to find out if Yeezys are truly dead. Let's talk about it. What is good, YouTube? Your boy Magnificent coming back with another quick video. And today, the Yeezy MX Granite as well as the Yeezy Slide Salt has dropped on the Adidas Confirmed app via draw. Winners will be found out on the 15th of March. But now this begs the question of, these are two new colorways. They haven't been introduced before. Obviously, some questions of the production date. But now I'm curious to find out, that whole philosophy of new colorways dead in the community. It seems like there's a lot of people and there's a lot of interest for both the Yeezy Slide Salt as well as the MX Rnnr Granite. Now, I'm going to say that to say this. The MX Granite, the foam runners, I feel like because of it's a colorway that we haven't seen, but it's a wearable colorway, it's definitely going to sell out. Just like the Yeezy Foam Runner Onyx did. It's a wrap. The Salt, I'm not too sure, but a lot of people are intrigued of the Yeezy Slide Salt. I myself am going after both of these just to see if I can hit or not. Comment below. Let me know what you think about the MX Granite. I know a lot of people are loving this release. I expect this to sell out. But then I want to find out from people's perspective, the Yeezy Salt, at least the Slide Salt, does that kind of affect or change the way you think of new Yeezys being introduced, whether it has Ye's backing or not? Because in my opinion, after seeing both of these colorways, I feel like both the Slide and both the Foam Runner, they're going to sell out. They're going to sell out. If I were to guesstimate, that's just my guesstimate. But in seeing this, I am intrigued to see, A, the production date, B, how they look. Because the mix series, I feel like it's an underrated foam runner colorway. Like the solid colorways we've seen, solid colors, but the mix series, I feel like a lot of people kind of like that a lot. But again, this colorway is screaming, I need the cop. I'm sorry. Listen, Ye, I support Ye on his Yeezy.com website. I've been buying stuff on there. So, I've been doing both. So, I don't want anybody getting on my back talking about, oh, you're disloyal. No. The album, the pods, the clothes, I also bought on Yeezy.com. And then in turn, I also bought some stuff from Adidas. So you can't come at me. I'm just putting it that way. I'm just joking. But your boy Magnificent, man. MX Granite now available for at least the draw purposes. Remember, depending on the type of purchase you're using, whether it's a credit card or debit card, charges probably likely will be assessed. It's a pre-charge. It's not actual full charge. It's a pre-charge to determine whether you have the funds on the account before you actually get the release date, which is March 15th. And then that'll help them determine who wins or not. You got to make sure the funds are there. That is the process. Your boy Magnificent, man. I am out. Today is Tuesday. You guys stay blessed.